So we're trying this flippers pancakes here in Japan. It's our second day for breakfast, and we're still outside. It's a 1 hour wait, so the restaurant decided to give us the menu so we can decide what we want to eat. I still haven't decided what I'm gonna get because there's so many selections, but I'm just gonna pass this to the next person in line so they can decide what they want. It's a 1 hour wait. All right, I'm gonna pass it up. Hi, here's the menu. I'll see you in an hour. We've been on the line for 1 hour, and of course the one that I was gonna order is sold out. It's the chicken and egg pancake. And I chose this after 1 hour of waiting, and of course it's sold out. So I gotta pick something else before our booth is ready. So we're almost there.
The next day.
So we went back to Flippers. There's Helen. Say hi. We decided to come back because the last time we were here it was crowded and we had to wait for 1.5 hours and we were hungry, so we didn't really enjoy our food. So we're back and we're gonna try it again. But of course we're gonna order something else from the menu. So this time around, this is what I'm gonna order. First, we're gonna get Kiseki pancakes with fresh fruits. Then, we're gonna try the peach milk float. And first, since we're here, we're gonna try the yellow fresh lemon and honey soda. Let's see how it goes.
Many minutes later.
So while you're waiting, you get free peanuts. Nice. Flippers.